Get ready for the amazing story of Coca-Cola. From Dr. John Pemberton's medicinal tonic in the 1800s to a $74 billion global icon. We'll dive into the innovations, smart marketing, and hurdles that made Coca-Cola the world-famous drink it is today. Stick around to find out how this American classic took over the world. Ever wondered how Coca-Cola started? Meet Dr. John Pemberton. Born in 1831 in Knoxville and raised in Rome, Georgia, John was into Thomsonian medicine, which used plants to cleanse the body. At 19, he opened a business making medicinal remedies despite people's doubts. Later, he earned a pharmacy degree, but then the Civil War changed everything. John joined the army as a first lieutenant and got injured. To ease his pain, he was given morphine, leading to an addiction that haunted him for years. This struggle set the stage for his creation of Coca-Cola. Following the war, John relocated to Atlanta and rose to prominence as a senior figure in a pharmaceutical company, earning renown as a physician. However, grappling with worsening morphine addiction, he sought solace in herbal remedies. Inspired by Vin Mariani, a beverage blending coca leaves and red wine, John concocted his own variation, Pemberton's French wine coca. Infused with coca leaves, red wine, and cola nuts, this tonic aimed to alleviate addictions, depression, anxiety, and various ailments. In 1886, when Atlanta banned alcohol, John Pemberton adapted his tonic into a non-alcoholic version. He substituted wine with synthetic caffeine, sweetened it with sugar, and enhanced the flavor with citric acid, vanilla, lemon oil, and spices like orange, nutmeg, and coriander. His bookkeeper, Frank Robinson, proposed the name Coca-Cola, emphasizing the double C for visual appeal. Despite a sluggish start, Frank's innovative marketing tactics, such as vibrant banners, eye-catching placards, and inviting store awnings, propelled Coca-Cola to popularity in Atlanta. These efforts marked the beginning of Coca-Cola's journey from a local remedy to a global sensation, setting the stage for its enduring legacy in the beverage industry. As Coca-Cola's popularity soared, John Pemberton's health declined due to stomach cancer. To ensure his family's fortune, he sold shares of the business. Meanwhile, Frank Robinson, determined to secure Coca-Cola's success, sought out Asa Candler, a prosperous entrepreneur. Impressed by Frank's strategic vision, Asa acquired the rights to Coca-Cola and swiftly broadened its distribution network. Under Asa Candler's leadership, Coca-Cola's reach expanded rapidly, laying the foundations for its transformation into a global phenomenon. This pivotal moment marked the beginning of Coca-Cola's journey towards becoming one of the most recognized and beloved brands worldwide. Asa Candler revolutionized Coca-Cola's marketing by introducing the first coupons for free samples at soda fountains, which boosted its popularity significantly. However, he initially dismissed the idea of bottling Coca-Cola, considering it impractical. Joseph Woodhead and Benjamin Thomas, however, recognized its potential and secured the rights for a mere $1. They pioneered a franchising model for bottling Coca-Cola, which swiftly transformed into a nationwide success. This move not only made Coca-Cola more accessible, but also solidified its position as a beloved beverage across America. The decision to bottle Coca-Cola marked a crucial turning point in its history, laying the groundwork for its global expansion and enduring popularity. To protect its brand identity against imitators, Coca-Cola designed the iconic contour bottle, ensuring consumers could readily distinguish the authentic product. This innovative packaging not only safeguarded Coca-Cola's reputation, but also contributed to a surge in bottled sales, surpassing fountain sales. The introduction of the contour bottle marked a significant milestone, firmly establishing Coca-Cola as a cultural icon in America and beyond. Its distinctive shape became synonymous with refreshment and quality, further propelling Coca-Cola's global recognition and popularity. Following Asa Candler's departure, His children orchestrated the sale of Coca-Cola to a consortium of investors, including banker Ernest Woodruff, who subsequently took the company public. Ernest's son, Robert Woodruff, assumed the presidency and oversaw the removal of residual cocaine from the formula. Under Robert's guidance, Coca-Cola pioneered the advancements such as metal top open coolers, convenient 6-bottle packs, and automatic fountain dispensers. He also spearheaded Coca-Cola's expansion into European markets and forged partnerships with significant historical events, including sponsorship of the 1928 Olympics and provisions for American soldiers during World War II. Robert Woodruff's visionary leadership not only solidified Coca-Cola's position as a global leader in the beverage industry, but also cemented its enduring legacy as a symbol of American culture worldwide. Robert Woodruff's visionary leadership propelled Coca-Cola to become a worldwide emblem of American culture. Today, it stands as the second most recognized brand globally, serving nearly 2 billion beverages daily across 200 countries. Before his retirement, Robert kept a paperweight on his desk inscribed with the words, "There is no limit to what a man can do or where he can go if he doesn't mind who gets the credit." This ethos encapsulates Coca-Cola's enduring spirit of innovation, resilience, and global impact, inspiring generations of leaders and consumers alike. As Coca-Cola continues to evolve, it remains steadfast in its commitment to refreshing the world and making moments special, ensuring its legacy as an iconic brand for years to come. Coca-Cola's advertising has played a crucial role in its success. In the early 20th century, the company began using magazine ads and billboards, which became iconic representations of the brand. The company introduced memorable slogans like "The Pause That Refreshes" in 1929 and "It's the Real Thing" in 1969. Coca-Cola's Christmas ads, featuring a jolly Santa Claus, were also instrumental in shaping the modern image of Santa Claus as a bearded man in a red suit. Coca-Cola has been involved in sports sponsorships for over a century. The company first sponsored the Olympic Games in 1928, providing 40,000 bottles of Coca-Cola to athletes and spectators. This sponsorship has continued to this day, with Coca-Cola being one of the longest continuous sponsors of the Olympics. The brand has also sponsored FIFA World Cup events, NASCAR races, and numerous other sporting events worldwide. Over the years, Coca-Cola has introduced several product innovations to cater to changing consumer preferences. The company launched Diet Coke in 1982, which quickly became the top-selling diet soft drink in the world. In response to the growing health-conscious market, Coca-Cola has also introduced products like Coca-Cola Zero Sugar and various flavored beverages. Additionally, the company has acquired other beverage brands, including Minute Maid, Fanta, and Sprite, diversifying its product portfolio. Coca-Cola has undertaken numerous environmental and social initiatives to address global challenges. The company launched the World Without Waste campaign, aiming to collect and recycle a bottle or can for every one sold by 2030. Coca-Cola also focuses on sustainable sourcing of ingredients, water stewardship, and reducing its carbon footprint. Socially, the company supports various community programs, including education, women's empowerment, and disaster relief efforts. As Coca-Cola continues to evolve, the company faces new challenges and opportunities in the global market. With increasing competition and shifting consumer preferences towards healthier options, Coca-Cola is investing in new product lines, such as plant-based beverages and functional drinks. The company is also leveraging digital technology to enhance customer engagement and streamline operations. The story of Coca-Cola is a testament to innovation, resilience, and visionary leadership. From its humble beginnings as a medicinal tonic to becoming a global icon, Coca-Cola's journey is filled with lessons in entrepreneurship and marketing. This is the story of how a pharmacist turned war veteran and his successors built Coca-Cola's $74 billion brand. For more inspiring stories and advice from today's most successful leaders, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And that concludes our video showcasing the world of luxury. If you enjoy this content, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate you tuning in, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.